If you're wondering whether Git Digest AI is actually worth your time or just another flashy AI tool, this review will give you 7 crucial things you need to know before you dive in. And yes, you can try it completely free from the first link below. Now here's what makes Git Digest AI stand out, and why it might become a must-have for developers, product teams, and digital marketers alike. Git Digest AI turns raw Git commit logs into readable, actionable summaries in seconds. Instead of digging through endless commits or waiting for devs to manually write change logs, this tool uses natural language processing to automatically summarize code changes, giving you clear and structured digests you can instantly share. Here's what's cool. It doesn't just summarize what was changed. It tells you why it was changed, using context-aware AI to translate cryptic dev messages into something clients or non-tech stakeholders can actually understand. This is perfect if you're running an agency or SaaS and want to keep clients in the loop without burning dev time. You can connect multiple repos, set digest intervals, and even get Slack or email notifications with summaries auto-delivered. If you've ever managed multiple projects and wasted hours trying to keep track of updates, this solves that. Another feature that impressed me is how it adapts over time. The more commits and projects it processes, the better it understands your team's language. It's like it gradually learns your dev team's voice and tone, then reflects that in future summaries. And yes, security is baked in. It doesn't store your codebase or upload entire repos. It works on metadata and commit messages. So if you're concerned about sensitive code, you're covered. From a marketing perspective, Git Digest AI gives you shareable changelogs you can push to customers, stakeholders, or even embed in product updates. That saves hours of coordination and gives your brand a pro-level polish. Right now, it's just launched, and that's the best time to jump in. Tools like this often go from free to paid fast once they gain traction. So if you want to test Git Digest AI while it's still in free access, hit the first link in the description and give it a spin. And here's the kicker. I've tested thousands of AI tools and only a handful have earned a permanent spot in my stack. Git Digest AI is getting there. But if you want to see what else I recommend, I've listed my top free AI software picks down below. Every one of them has been battle tested and handpicked. Check those out after you try Git Digest AI, and let me know in the comments what you're using it for.